Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to another Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about dividing polynomials using synthetic division, dividing 10x squared plus 9x minus 36 and 2x minus 3. So in dividing polynomials using synthetic division, our first step is for us to equate our denominator to 0. So we have here 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then let's solve for the value of x. So let's transfer negative 3 to the other side of the equation, giving us 2x is equal to positive 3. Then let's divide both sides by 2, giving us x is equal to 3 over 2. And 3 over 2 will serve as our divisor for our synthetic division. So let's place it here, 3 over 2. Ayan. Okay. Then, for our dividend, we will just copy the coefficient of our polynomial 10x squared plus 9x minus 36. So we have here 10, 9, and negative 36. So they are going to be our dividend. Then let's start applying our synthetic division. So first step is for us to bring down positive 10. Okay? So bring down positive 10. So we have here 10. Then let's multiply 10 to our divisor 3 over 2. So we have 10 times 3 over 2. So let's multiply 10 and 3 over 2. So cancel 10 and 2. That will give us 5 and 1. So 5 times 3, that is 15. So their product is 15. And let's place it here, 15. Then let's add our terms 9 and 15. So 9 plus 15, that is 24. So we have here 24. Okay? Then let's repeat the same procedure. 24 times 3 over 2. So 24 times 3 over 2. So let's cancel 24 and 2. 24 will become 12. 2 will become 1. 12 times 3 is 36 over 1. So our product will be positive 36. Okay. Then let's add negative 36 and 36. So negative 36 plus 36, that will be 0. Okay. Now, after we apply our synthetic division, it is time for us to know what will be our leading term. So for our leading term, we will focus our attention to the leading terms of our polynomials. And in this case, we have x squared and x. So let's divide them. X squared divided by x. So their quotient will be x. Therefore, we will be starting with the variable x, followed by a constant, and our last term will be our remainder. So since 0 is our remainder, so we will not have any remainders. So here we will have 10x plus 24, and we don't have any remainders. We will have this 10x plus 24. But wait, we're not yet done. Since our divisor is a fraction, we have to divide each term of our quotient by 2, which is the denominator of our fraction, 3 over 2. So we have to divide each term by 2 to get our final answer. So our final answer will be 5x plus 12. And that is the quotient of our polynomial. 5x plus 12. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.